At Imaginea, we're committed to our vision of creating a better future for the energy industry and for the world. Our goal is to become an emission-free oil and gas producer, and we believe we can do it through collaboration, creativity, and innovation. It starts with awareness. Getting oil out of the ground takes energy, and energy sources produce emissions, with electricity being one of the worst offenders. Because here in Alberta, we burn coal to get it. So we looked at different options, and the brightest idea was right above us. We could harness energy from the sun to power our wells. Christoph Palka was the driving force behind this project.
Before we started, this site was like many other sites in Alberta, a section of land with wells on it. At this location we have two wells, a typical rocking Pumpjack and progressive cavity pump. Together they produce over 50 cubic meters of oil and water and 500 cubic meters of natural gas every day. Once we had a site plan and selected our partners, the groundwork started. A gravel pad was put in place to host 2 rows of solar panels. The ground was graded and pad was compacted to ensure that our panels are placed on solid footing. In keeping with our goals to minimize our footprint, local gravel was used for the pad and to provide weight for the ballast tray system designed by our partner Skyfire Energy. This solution keeps our panels in place without using piles. And in the future, if for any reasons we need to move our panels, this can be easily accomplished and our ballast trays and gravel can be reused. Aluminium rail system was prefabricated and delivered to our site for fast and efficient assembly. First, our rails were assembled, and next, our panels were installed at optimum angle to the sun. At the same time, electrical work connecting solar arrays to electrical infrastructure on site was completed. And finally, our new renewable power generation was turned on. 192 panels started harvesting solar energy without any emissions and pollution. The panels will generate enough electricity during the sunny days to power all our equipment on this site and sell excess electricity to Alberta grid at the same time. During the night and on cloudy days, we will use grid electricity to power our equipment. The installation will pay for itself within the next decade. And after we pay for the initial investment, we will enjoy free and clean electricity on this site for the life of the reservoir and beyond. In the future, when the wells are no longer producing oil and gas, we will install more solar panels on this site and generate even more clean, renewable energy for Albertans. This is our vision to start the transition from oil and gas energy production to clean, renewable energy production and emission and pollution-free hydrocarbon production. It's a big win for Imaginea, for the people of Alberta and for our environment.
This is just one example of what Imaginea is doing to turn the energy industry into a force for good. Stay tuned for other news in the months ahead as we continue to identify and deploy solutions that are good for the planet and for people and for profit. We are Imaginea.